Hello mga ka-tribes! Welcome to Daddy Brew TV. Ito ang inyong adventurous math teacher. So for today's video, let's talk about empirical rule. You can easily understand the functions of normal probability distribution in our real-life world using the empirical rule. This rule is used to roughly test the distribution's normality. If many data of a random variable fall outside the lower and upper limits of the three standard deviation, this means that the distribution is not normal. Empirical rule is better known as 68, 95, and 99.70% rule. This rule states that the data in the distribution lies within 1, 2, and 3 of the standard deviation from the mean are approximately 68%, 95%, and 99.70% respectively. Since the area of a normal curve is equal to 1 or 100% as stated on its characteristics or property, there are only a few data which is 0.30% falls outside the three standard deviation from the mean. For instance, the distribution of the grades of the senior high school students in statistics and probability for the third quarter is shown below. Using the empirical rule, you can say that the distribution of the grades of the senior high school in statistics and probability are distributed normally because the shape of the graph is a bell shape and symmetrical about its mean, which is 87. This also indicates that most of the students' grades fall close to the mean and fewer of them are far below and or above the mean. So we can summarize the distribution in the following percentage. 68% of data lies within one standard deviation from the mean have a grade of 83 to 91. 95% of data lies within two standard deviations from the mean have a grade of 79 to 95. And 99.70% of data lies within three standard deviations from the mean have a grade of 75 to 99. Illustrative example. The scores of the senior high school students in their statistics and probability quarterly examination are normally distributed with a mean of 35 and a standard deviation of 5. Answer the following questions. A. What percent of the scores are better or between 30 to 40? What scores fall within 95% of the distribution? Okay, for our solution, for letter A, the scores 30 to 40 falls within the first standard deviation from the mean. Therefore, the scores that fall between 30 and 40 is approximately 68% of the distribution. Now, for letter B solution or answer, since 95% of the distribution lies within two standard deviation from the mean, then the scores corresponding to this area of the distribution are scores from 25 up to 45. So that's it. So if you have any questions, class, comment below, and thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.